What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're doing something a little different today. It's not BMW related for once, but it is boost related, and a lot of boost at that. My buddy just got his Evo 9 MR back from being completely built top to bottom, 2-liter long rod motor, forward facing turbo, hood exit exhaust, crazy build. We're gonna go check it out with him. He just got it back from being broken and tuned, and it's finally running good. So we're gonna go check it out, give it a ride along, and just kind of some flybys and it driving in general. But we'll go check it out. It should be pretty awesome. It's making somewhere around 650 horsepower right now, and that's not even turned up yet. So we'll go check it out, and hopefully you guys like it. Alright, you guys, we're back home. That was all the time we had with the car today, but I'll definitely have it back on the channel. Thing is wicked, insanely fast, insanely loud, blew your eardrums out whenever it shifted, with a 2-foot flame shooting out the hood. Just an insane car and really fun to ride in. So yeah, that was around 32 pounds of boost and close to 650 plus wheel horsepower is what I'm told. It hasn't been on a dyno yet, but that's where it should be with that build, probably closer to 700 actually. But that's just the beginning for that car. He has plans to go 40 plus pounds of boost, which the car is really set up for, and that should be better for 800 horsepower, so you know, another 150 horse on top of where it is now. So it'll just get crazier, but I'll definitely have it back on the channel because that thing is insanely fun to ride in, and it's just a crazy build altogether. So hopefully you guys like that. A little different than the BMW stuff that I normally do, but hopefully you guys like it, and let me know in the comments if that's something you kind of want to see more. I do want to just put out more like just automotive content in general, I know the channel's name is Bimmers and Boost, but I kind of did it that way so I could have anything boosted on it. But let me know. Leave a like. Don't forget to click the red subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.